Welcome to our channel, Consult Kriba, enlightening and empowering entrepreneurs. We regularly share the exports opportunities for different products and different markets. In this video, we will see the latest 5 export opportunities for Indian manufacturers and suppliers sourced from FIO. To receive the latest updates on exports and exports opportunities, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive all the notifications. The first export opportunity is from Germany. A German entrepreneur is looking for suppliers of handmade shoes. He wants to enter into a manufacturing agreement with professional shoemakers who can stitch shoes in traditional ways. Next export opportunity is from United Kingdom. A UK engineering company in the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning industry is seeking manufacturers to produce wide range of high-quality stainless steel and brass pressure vessel equipment, valves, fittings components for their air conditioners. They are ready to enter into manufacturing agreement with the suppliers. The third opportunity is from Poland. A Polish e-commerce company offers distribution agreement to the manufacturers of commercial products and gadgets that can act as a gift. The e-commerce company specializes in consumer products like leather goods, candles, air fresheners, lighters. They want to expand its portfolio with new unique products. They are looking for a contract as an exclusive distributor on the Polish market with the manufacturers of unique gift products. Next opportunity is from Ukraine. A cosmetics and perfume manufacturer is looking for manufacturers and suppliers of high-quality perfume bottles. An Ukrainian company in Kharkiv region, specialized in perfumes, cosmetics, shampoos, balms, lotions, is ready to sign a supplier agreement with the suppliers of perfume bottles, glass bottles with caps and spray pulverizers. The final opportunity is from Romania. An architecture design company from Romania is seeking partners who are specialized in planning and design of buildings and houses. The Romanian design company is ready to offer projects based on outsourcing and subcontracting agreements. Are you struggling to find the right importers for your products? There is a simple 4-step process to effectively identify the right buyers and connect with them. To know more, register for the info session using the link